Hello, welcome to a day in my life. I don't know what I'm doing this vlog. I'm so late. I'm supposed to be going to school. Anyways, I'm doing my uniform. It's just a jacket because I thought it was gonna be so cold, but it's really hot. And we have to leave now. It's 7:45, and we were supposed to be out by 7:30. Yes, cause yeah. So I'm gonna see you guys at school. Hi guys, we successfully made it at school. We're about to read because I didn't read it and we're supposed to read it. Teacher's going to ask us questions of what we read. Konje kuba page man. Sahluko 6, yeah. Hi guys, so it's been a very long time since I've talked to you guys. Actually, the first few clips that you saw, I don't know how many weeks ago since I've, did that. But yeah, right now it's during exam time and I just remembered that I really want this YouTube thing to work out. Even if it's not now, but it's gonna work out, I want it. But yeah, I'm just here to continue the vlog. So right now I'm currently on my bed because I've been lying on my bed for hours. I woke up at 7 o'clock and it's 1:30 and I just want to start studying because I'm writing tomorrow in maths and next week I'm also writing. I just want to cover a history. So you guys are gonna come with me, and I also need to make my bed and then fix my study desk. So I'm no longer let's munch. I'm gonna finish this up and then get to studying. It's the next morning, so I just came back from school. I read my maths paper. It was fine until question 4. Yes, question 4 did a number, but I think I did good. I know I did good. Yeah, and also bad news. Use ulahle iphepha lami assignment yami and I have to redo it while I still have to do 2 essays and then study for geography. So I got a lot on my plate. But yeah, right now I'm going to watch Netflix. I think I downloaded. I don't have Netflix. Yeah, it's Young, Rich, Famous African, 2 episodes, season 3, and then get to study. But for now, I will see you guys after. Hi guys, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. I just woke up, I did my bed, did other stuff, and then I took shower nyana. And then now I'm going to eat, and then after eating, I'm going to study and grind. Like lock in study because I have to study. I don't think anything is gonna happen today that I'm studying. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, let's get to working.